What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use Remitly for sending money internationally. Whether you are a first-time user or a regular sender, this guide will help you set up your account, make transfers, and track your money securely. First, ensure internet connection. Check your device's internet connection. If you are not connected, go to your Wi-Fi settings, connect your preferred Wi-Fi network by entering the password if required. Now open the Google Play Store. In the search box, type Remitly, and after you find the Remitly app, download and install the Remitly application. If it is already installed, locate the Remitly app on your device and tap to open it. After tapping the app, choose the language you prefer, and as you can see on my screen, after that, click Continue. On the main screen, tap on the Create a New Profile to begin the account creation process. After that, choose the country and the From and To section like mine. As you can see on my screen, after choosing a country, tap Continue. From here, it's up to you if you want to create an account through the Remitly app, or you can choose to continue with Google or Apple for a fast process creation. Mine is that I will tap Continue with Google. Now, a new tab will open, so just do the credentials for creating an account on Remitly. After doing that, the app will ask you if you want to enable biometrics, or you can just skip it for now by tapping Not Now. Now that you have created an account, let's get started by tapping the Get Started button. From here, type the amount you want to send, and it will be automatically converted to the cash you want to send, like for example, USD to PHP or USD to Yen. After entering the amount you want to send, select the delivery method. After selecting the delivery method, select the payment method. It's up to you on how you set up your delivery and payment method. After that, tap Continue. Now you have to choose a wallet option, for example, Gcash, so tap on it. Now enter the details of the recipient. After that, tap Continue. Now your money is ready to send, so tap the Send Money button. Now the transfer has been processed. Using Remitly to send money internationally is a straightforward process and secure. By following the steps, you can easily send or create an account and track your transfers. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.